Jeez, this camera's noisy. And it doesn't want to focus. It's the Canon 18-55 kit lens. Well, it's noisy. They say equipment doesn't help. Well, listen to the camera focusing on me. Tell me it doesn't help. It's rubbish. Anyway, I've started a new channel. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just having fun with photography camera. I've got a cheap Canon ES 650D camera, a laptop that takes days to boot up, even longer to open photographs, try edit films, and yeah, that's it. We'll see how we go. I'm enjoying making videos. I haven't been doing it for long. It's just good fun, and that's it. Yeah, I've been watching lots of YouTube videos, and people say they're like quirky people. I am not a quirky person. I'm a normal person, married, kids, normal job. But like taking photographs, like taking videos, learning B-roll, which I really like. Hopeless at it, but who knows, I might get better at it. As for this lens, see a bit of focus on me. Does it focus? Oh, look at that! Yes, it's noisy. Maybe I should get something else on. Anyway, that's enough about me. Who knows how this channel's gonna go? I'm just gonna have some fun, and we'll take it from there.